Hello, this is Azumi Uchitani. Welcome to my salon. I usually talk about the Japanese art in this virtual open house, but today I would like to introduce other function about this salon, about feeling the aesthetics of Japanese aesthetics. So how I teach and I give workshops called Innerpeace Afternoon. So the purpose of this afternoon of my workshop is not about just learning how to make tea or experiencing Japanese tea ceremony or how to make calligraphy. So it's about meeting my soul, meeting your soul. So I invite my guest and we meet without our business card or without our nationality or even without your what you do. It's really about soul meeting, soul to soul. So we get rid of all the outer layers and meet as a really person who you are. So, first one is soul-to-soul meeting. And second is to let go. We are so busy every day doing our roles as parents or as a manager of the company or running a business. So this is a place where you can let go everything. You can be just yourself and stop thinking and to feel. So for some people, it's very difficult. That's why I use tea ceremony and calligraphy meditation. So I welcome with tea ceremony experience, and you cleanse your body and mind and soul. And then we move on to the brush to make calligraphy. And through the calligraphy, you let go of your energy. And no experience required to do that. It's like the brush becomes like your part of body, and we can let go of the energy. So let go is the second. And the third is I also help you to, it's a bit like letting go, but also cleansing. In our memory and also in our DNA, we have many different type of emotions carrying in our consciousness. And through short meditation and tuning into the energy, the current energy of our seasons, and then we go deeper into our soul. And through the calligraphy, we meet some of the hidden emotion sometimes comes up, and we put sometimes it's sad and sometimes it's beautiful, and it really depends on the day. And I translate that energy into the character. For example, this is purification, and we make this character so we can let go of this energy. So it's really like the cleansing, and there are many methods of doing this in spirituality. But I came over the last 10 years. I have been doing this combination of meditation and calligraphy, and this has been magically working with my client. So the third one is cleansing. If you like to know more, during the open house you can also experience it. I would like to invite you to just to feel the energy here, and if you like more, then you can come to the session with me. But we will start the open house soon, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you in person. Thank you, and see you soon.